Hello guys, welcome to this new tutorial in which I'm gonna show you how you can install this new eFootball 2024 mod that just came out. So I'm gonna show you guys the process to install this into your Android or iOS device. But first I'm gonna show you how it works and how it will actually work after you install this and it's in your home screen if you follow the process. So stay tuned guys. After you open the application here for the first time, you're gonna see that all the stats here, like for example the money and the GP is maxed out. So you can see you have many different options down below here that you can get unlimited coins, unlimited GP, you can unlock all characters, you can get unlimited points, and you can even have the auto win that if you play a game, you auto win every single time. So I'm going to show you how is the process to install this and how you can get this into your device. It doesn't matter if it's Android or iOS device, it doesn't matter which one you have. So how do we actually install this app, guys? First, if you're in Android, just head up straight to the website. I'm going to show you later. But if you're in iOS, you first need to head into settings here. Then you need to scroll down and go into general, background app refresh, and again background app refresh. You're going to see that you have three different options here. You can either select the off, Wi-Fi, and Wi-Fi and cellular data. You need to choose one of the Wi-Fi options and you'll be alright guys. Then you can head into about and make sure your iOS version is at least 11. You can see right here I have the 16 version, okay? Then you can head into battery and make sure low power mode is off, okay? Now you can head into your preferred browser, doesn't matter which one, it could be Chrome, it could be Safari, just head to your preferred browser and you're gonna open this website called riskfix.com, okay? So then you're gonna look for the application that we're looking for, in this case eFootball 2024, and you're gonna click on the download button here. And we're going to wait for it to download. So guys, it's gonna pop up here a verification process in which you just need to install at least 3 free apps. If there are just 2, just install those 2. And after it's gonna check for the completion and it's gonna finish installing this application into your home screen. So just after you complete installing the free apps, restart your phone, and when you open it again, you're gonna find the application in your home screen, guys. So that's all for this video guys. If you enjoyed, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to comment down below if this worked for you, and also comment down below the best feature about this mod application. And don't forget also to subscribe because we're gonna make way more mod application videos in which you're gonna get the mod of many applications that you use in your daily base. So without anything else to say, goodbye.